Continue. Let's do one more Mishnah. Number 10. Until when a person is obligated to study Torah? Until the day he dies. As Dvarim 4:9 states, lest you remove it from your heart all the days of your life. Whenever a person is involved with study, whenever the person is not involved in a study, he forgets. Okay, that's it. Okay, very short. Halachah. So I think they saying about Rabbi that sound. So I don't remember the details. Like a few days, like 2 days before he died, so doctor told him you're not allowed to study. I don't remember what was the details, but it was told by his son. So and they told his father. So the doctor said okay. So he said, if I cannot study Torah, there is no point for me to live. And he died, I think, in 2 days or next day. So number 10 from the beginning with commentaries. Until when a person is obligated to study Torah, until the day he dies. 65. Talmud Shabbos 83b stated even when a person feels death approaching, he should not neglect the his Torah study. So just what is it like? It's opposite, as it says about Rav Shach, right? So one time people came to his office, right, and Rosh Hashanah was laying on the floor with a Gemara on his chest. So what happened? Why are you learning like that? He said, no, okay, please help me to get up. So they help him to get up and say, Rosh Hashanah, what's going on? Why are you on the floor with a Gemara? He said, no, I thought that I'm going to die. So he had like feeling. So he said, I wanted to die, like in a respectable manner, living like a lion down, and with Gemara, of course. When I come to the Beis Din of Shemaim, so I wanted like that's how I wanted to be like picture present, right? With Gemara in my hand. Very interesting. Continue. As Dvarim 4:9 states, let us remove it from your heart all the days of your life. Lest you remove, so you have to study all the days of your life until the day you die. Lest you remove it from your heart all days of your life. So otherwise, the person would push off. No, I'm busy. I have to make money and stuff like that. And I think I told you I have these few people who were begging, stop working. It's like you can retire. Let's learn Torah. And people who were interested to learn Torah, they would try to learn, and after they retired, they basically lost it. They went down, and they like mentally like become very weak. So they would not be able to learn like 20 minutes, which is very, very sad. When they had the opportunity, they wanted to work extra, because it's like city job, and if you work another 5 years, another 3 years, another 3 months, so they give this pension, that pension. That's stupidity of the man. So, and commentaries say that the failure to study can be considered a removing one's previous study from one's heart. So, meaning if you don't overview whatever you study, that's why we send all of these links to the books. You have to buy these books, and you have to like do it on your own. How many times? As many times as you need. So I go with the book several times, many times, in order to know. But otherwise, it's not going to stay. It's guaranteed. What you're going to remember exactly zero. Not you. I'm not talking about anybody specific, but that's how it works. Rambam even put it in Halachah. Right? If you don't study until the day you die, like all the days, why? As Dvarim states, lest you remove it from your heart all the days of your life, all the days. Right? It's like you're going to forget, guaranteed. Whenever a person is not involved in Torah study, he forgets. It's like simple. Commentary. Haggai 15a states, the words of the Torah are difficult to acquire as gold vessels, and easy to lose as a glass utensils, especially in olden days, right? The glass was like handmade and was easily breakable. So it is hard to acquire gold vessels, right? And easy to lose as glass utensils. I was the Rabbi Nassan, 24:6. Also elaborates on how easy it is to forget one's Torah knowledge. Like person stops studying, and easy. Like after 1 week without studying, that people they go down so much. And I know some people go to vacations, and there is no connection or whatever it is that they don't want to study, whatever reason is, right? So they come back like after 2 weeks, it's like a totally different person. He does not understand. It's like even whatever we learned on the day before he left. Dvarim 4:9 states, "Be extremely careful lest you forget these things." The Sefer HaMitzvah HaGadol, the Sefer HaMitzvahs Katan, and others consider this charge as one of the Torah's 613 commandments. Right? So one more time, the Torah says, be extremely careful lest you forget these things. So Torah said the commandment not to forget Torah. So one more time, Sefer HaMitzvahs HaKatan, and others consider this charge one of the 600 mitzvahs Torah commandments, 613. Prohibiting forgetting Torah, one studied. See also Menachos 99b, Rabbi Ovadia of Bartenura on Avos 3:10, Shulchan Aruch Harav, Hilchot Talmud Torah 2 and Halachos 4-10. So meaning that it's not allowed, it's forbidden to study Torah, to forget Torah. So how you don't forget? You review, constantly review, you make notes, you do notes, and that's how you remember. The Rambam does not include this one of the Torah prohibition in Sefer HaMitzvah. So in that there are different counts of the 613 mitzvahs. Rambam does not count. It's one of the negative commandments, but there is in different counts. Nor does he explicitly mention the prohibition in our Halachah. Nevertheless, it is possible to explain that he is considered discharged the part of commandment to study for one's entire life, explaining in this Halachah. So this commentary explains it differently. So how do you preserve the Torah in order not to forget? You study all your life. So he said maybe Rambam, like it's implied by his statement, study all your life, that that's how you should not forget. So.